30 days ago, I made a decision. No filming, no manual editing, no writing my own scripts. Everything, 100% AI. I wanted to know if a channel could actually grow this way, or if it was all just hype. By day 30, the results genuinely surprised me, and not in the way I expected. Everyone talks about using AI for content, but nobody shows the actual 30-day journey, the failures, the videos that flopped, the moment something finally worked. So I documented everything. Views, mistakes, what I changed halfway through. This is that breakdown. Week 1 was rough. I posted every day using pure AI scripts without changing a word. The voice sounded robotic, the pacing felt off, and views stayed flat, barely double digits per video. I almost quit here. I remember thinking the whole idea was broken. But instead of stopping, I looked closer at what exactly was failing. It wasn't the AI itself. It was that I was using AI output exactly as generated, without editing anything for how it actually sounds when spoken out loud. In week 2, I changed one thing. I started reading every AI script out loud before recording, and rewriting anything that sounded stiff or unnatural. Same AI tools, same process, just this one filter added. Views didn't explode, but something shifted. Watch time went up. People were staying longer, even if total views were still small. That told me the content itself was starting to connect, I just needed more eyes on it. Week 3 is where things actually changed. I stopped guessing topics and started studying what was already working in my niche, then built my scripts around proven angles instead of random ideas. One video, based on a topic I almost skipped because I thought it was too simple, ended up outperforming everything else I'd posted that month. It wasn't the most polished video. The voice wasn't perfect, the visuals were basic. But the hook was strong and the topic was exactly what people were already searching for. That's when it hit me. AI can produce content fast, but it can't choose the right topic for you. That part still needed me. By week 4, I had a repeatable process, real topics based on research, AI-written scripts I personalized before recording, and consistent daily posting. This is when the channel started actually gaining momentum, not overnight success, but a real upward pattern. Looking back at the full month, the videos that performed best weren't the ones where I trusted AI completely. They were the ones where AI handled the heavy lifting, writing, voice, visuals, but I still made the final calls on topic and tone. So here's what 30 days actually taught me. AI didn't replace the work. It removed the parts that used to take hours, scripting, voiceover, editing, and let me focus entirely on the two things that actually matter, picking the right topic and making sure it sounds human. If you're starting this exact journey, don't expect week 1 to work. Expect it to feel broken. The shift happens when you stop using AI output blindly and start treating it as a first draft, not a final product. That's the real 30-day breakdown, the crash, the fix, and what actually made it work. If you want me to do a follow-up showing the next 30 days and what changed after that, comment Part 2 below.